First, we must ground you to the world. We borrow the power of the deep earth, its strength, its silence.
The earth holds timeless energy. We borrow the power of this crystal.
Air is the carrier of secrets and whispers. We borrow the power of the...
Even the smallest shadows must be brought to the light. The moon sees all that is hidden. We borrow the power.
Life's nectar holds potent magic. We borrow the power of the morning dew, a single drop of pure vitality. Light is the source of all things.
Water is life. We borrow the power of this living